Hi, my name's Clancy and we're here at Wollongong City Libraries today. I'm here to talk to you about Libby. Libby is our new free app that you can use to download best-selling and new release ebooks, magazines and audiobooks on your phone, tablet or just using a computer. All you need to get started is your Wollongong City Libraries membership card.
First, install the app from the App Store on your device or visit the website via your desktop computer. Follow the prompts to find your local library, Wollongong City Libraries, which will be underneath the southeast zone. When you log in, you'll find a few different options available to you. First, you can browse the catalogue for new and exciting titles and discover everything that's now available to you, like ebooks, audiobooks, and even magazines. Not sure if you're interested in a book, or maybe it's out on loan already? Try the sample to test the waters, or save an item for later with a tag. If you've got any existing holds or items that you've checked out, you'll be able to find them in your shelf. Borrowed items appear in your shelf, and you can download them whether you're on data or a Wi-Fi connection, so you can read them when you're offline at a later date. Items are returned automatically on their due date, but you can return them early if you wish. This allows you to borrow more items at a time.
Thanks for joining us today as we had a bit of a look at Libby. For more videos like this, please follow our Facebook page. Hi, my name's Clancy and we're here at Wollongong City Libraries to talk a little bit about doorbell.